Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm organising my makeup collection. So if you saw my channel a few months ago, I did declutter all of my makeup collection and now I've basically just bunged it all in my makeup drawers, and now you're going to see me organise them. Now it did take me quite a long time with some of the drawers undeciding how I was going to organise them, just because I was looking at them and I was like, there's so many different categories in this one drawer, and overall I feel like my makeup collection looks so good, it looks so organised, I can find everything now and it just looks so much better. It doesn't look all cluttered or anything like that, and it actually looks like I have less things than when it was all just bunged in there, so I am liking the way that it looks. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So if you haven't seen any of my declutter videos, I will link them down below for you so you can check those out. And I decluttered so much makeup. I basically moved house and I brought everything with me, and I was like, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move into my house and then I'm going to declutter. And I have so much stuff that I've decluttered. I am going to show you right now. Everything is in this giant bag. This is one of the bags for life and it is full up to the top with products. So I am going to be sorting all these out. I'm going to see what I'm going to be donating and what I'm going to be giving to friends and family and things like that. So I am going to be looking into that, but yeah, I have a giant bag of stuff that I decluttered, so I have no idea where that would go if I still had this, and I did declutter it, so I'm glad that I got rid of a lot of my makeup collection and it now fits really nicely in my makeup drawers. And yeah, if you want to see how I organise my makeup collection, then just keep watching. So this is where all of my makeup is, and as you can see, I have a giant Alex 9 drawers right there. So once all the stuff gets sorted, I'll also have another one of these Alex drawers. I'll probably have the 5 drawer ones, but I have my acrylic drawers right up here. This has some of my makeup in, and then all down here, the majority of these have makeup in, but some of them have like hair stuff and things like that. So if you'd seen my declutter series, you'll know that I got rid of so much makeup and all of it has basically just been popped straight in here. So as you can see, this is my first drawer and this has already been decluttered, but I basically just need to sort it out and put it into categories. So I'm not too sure if this is just going to be foundations in here or if I'm going to put some concealers and things like that in here. So we will see. I also have a bag here with all of my organisers in here. So some of these are new that I got before I moved. Some of them are old ones as well. So this one's a new one that I have, and this one's for highlighters and blushes and bronzers and things like that. So I do have 2 of these, so hopefully I'm going to be able to use some of these and put them in the Alex drawers. They all do fit as well. This one looks quite deep, to be honest. Yeah, that looks quite deep. I'm not too sure if that's even going to fit in there, but we are going to see, and we're going to try and fit as much as we can in. So the first drawer that we're going into is the top drawer, and this one has all of my powders, foundations, concealers, primers, setting sprays. So everything you can imagine is in here. Also, I do have some other setting sprays, and these are just on top of my drawers, and it's these ones from Primark. And I haven't really used them a lot, but I'm just going to basically put them on top because they're too big to fit in here, and then I know that I can just go ahead and use them when I want to. So I'm going to start by taking everything out here. We're going to separate it and put it in different categories. So I've just sorted out all of my foundations, concealers, primers, setting sprays. I can see that I have a hell of a lot of foundations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all foundations, BB creams and then powder foundations in here. And then in my other drawers I'm going to put my concealers, setting sprays and primers in there. And I don't think I'm going to use any trays just because I do have a lot of foundations, and I don't think all of them will fit in here nicely if I do use some trays. So I'm just going to basically put these in a really nice order and see if we can organise them. So that's all of my foundations, powder foundations and BB creams in here, and as you can see it looks really good. I can see every single shade that I have, I can see which brand it is and things like that, and I just think it looks really good, nice and tidy. So this is how it's going to stay. The next drawer that we're going to clean and organise is the second one, and this one is probably the one where I really don't want to do it because it just looks so messy and horrible, and I'm going to be using some different organisers in here because like you can see there's a hell of a lot of stuff in here, and I feel like having organisers in here would make it look so much better. So again, we're just going to take everything out, we're going to clean it, and then we're going to sort out what we're going to put in here. Also, I found this other powder foundation which I'm going to go ahead and put back in the top drawer. So that's all of my blushes, bronzers and highlighters all sorted out, and also some of my face powders as well. I feel like it looks so much better, but I feel like I could probably get rid of some of this stuff just because I feel like there's so much in here that I don't use. Some stuff I am holding on to because it's sentimental, but some of it I don't know, I just feel like I could probably get rid of it. Like for instance these drops, I think I tried them the other week and they didn't work out the best for me, but I am going to obviously keep retrying them and seeing how they go and see if I'm going to keep them, because I will be doing another declutter video very soon, probably in the next 6 months, maybe before Christmas I'll do one, or in the new year. But this is what they look like. It looks so much better, and hopefully it's going to stay this organised, but I have a feeling that it probably won't. The next drawer that we're going to go into is the third drawer, and this one is all of my lip products. So in here I have all my lip glosses, lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. I've taken out all of my lip liners and I've put them in my acrylic drawers just because I feel like I don't really want my lip liners in here. They look like they're probably better off in a big space in my acrylic drawers, and I can just basically find them very easily. But like you can see, everything is pretty much jumbled up. I have lip glosses in with liquid lipsticks. It is very hard for me to try and find what I'm trying to look for in here because I have so much stuff. So this one I'm definitely going to need some organisers in here. So we're going to basically delve through, see what I've got, and we're going to put them in their orders. So here's all my lip products organised and cleaned. So in here I have some of my favourite lipsticks. I have some travel lip glosses and liquid lipsticks in here. I have some lip balms, other lipsticks that won't fit in here. Juicy shakers, I have box ones, so things that I haven't used before or things that I love. All of my liquid lipsticks at the top here, my lip glosses, and then some more lip glosses in there. And yeah, that's everything, and I'm so happy that I managed to do this because this has been a very long time coming. I didn't think it was going to look this good, but overall I'm happy with it, and I'm so happy with the way that my makeup collection is starting to look. And we're going on to the fourth drawer, and this one has all of my eye products in here, also has my brow products as well. So I did manage to declutter quite a lot of this when I did my declutter video, but I still have quite a lot of stuff in here, so I just want to make sure that I've got things in their categories and things like that. So I'm going to sort these through. I'm going to take all these out, get my organisers, and hopefully we're going to put them really nice and neatly. So now my eye and brow drawer is all complete, and I feel like it looks so much better now. I have all of my mascaras in here, I have all of my brow products, and I don't really have too many in there. I've also got all my travel mascaras as well, which would be great for when I go abroad or when I go for little trips and things like that. These are so much easier to take. Then I've got all of my eyeliners in the back, so I have my pencil liners, then my liquid liners as well, and then my eyeshadows here. Then this is everything that's boxed that I haven't tried out yet. So this might end up actually going into one of my other drawers, which is where I have all of the products that I haven't used yet, or if I've got duplicates of them. So these might go down there, but I'm going to have a think and see what I think about doing with them. But this is my completed drawer, and I think it looks pretty good, and I'm really happy with it, and I'm so glad that I managed to find all the sections in here. So I did put my original tray in here, but then I realised that it was pretty much too small as I looked at everything that I had. So this is the one that I went for. This is the one that I used to have for my foundations, but this one works out so much better for these products, and I think it looks pretty good. And the last drawer that we're going to go into is the 7th drawer, and this one is all of my eyeshadow palettes. So the reason why I haven't gone into the other ones is because they hold some other things that I don't really need to organise. So this one is my eyeshadow drawer, and I have loads in here, and I actually managed to get rid of more than I thought that I would in my declutter video. Obviously I will link all of the declutter videos down below for you so you can check them out, but I actually got rid of more eyeshadow palettes than I thought. Also, it is a little bit of a different view on here just because I couldn't get my camera all the way down, because this is a very low drawer. This is one of the biggest ones, which is why I have all of my eyeshadow palettes in here. I feel like I could probably declutter some more of these, but what I'm going to do is see if I use them during the year. If I don't, then in my next declutter video I will just get rid of them. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, take all these out. I'm not going to need an organiser or anything like that, so I'm just going to take them out, put them in size order, and we'll put them in and see how they go. So here are all of my eyeshadow palettes completely organised. So back here I have all of my Morphe palettes, and then down here I have some larger palettes as well. So I have my Makeup Revolution ones there, I have my The Balm ones, more Makeup Revolution ones, and then I also have my MAC one, and I have this one which is my Man Eater palette from Tarte. So this one is a good one for travel because you don't have too many eyeshadows in there. Then back here I have some that are duplicates and also some that don't just have eyeshadows but have other things in them. So I have my Smashbox one here, I have my Too Faced Nikkie Tutorials one, my Carly Bible BH Cosmetics one, my Illuminate Cosmetics, and then back here I have my Estee Lauder Kendall Jenner one, just because I don't really reach for that, but the only reason why I'm not getting rid of it is because it was super expensive. And then here I have some smaller eyeshadow palettes. So I have Makeup Revolution, I have Too Faced, I've also got this Naked Basics one which just comes with a couple of basic colours in there. So these ones over here I'll use for travelling if I don't want to create any bold makeup looks. I just want to take one small palette. The one that I am loving at the moment is the Wet n Wild one, which is here, and this one I've been using all the time. It's a really good dupe for a Smashbox palette that I have as well. So now that I've organised this, it doesn't actually look that bad. It doesn't look like I have super loads in here. It looks like I have a good amount in here. So now that I've organised all of my eyeshadow palettes, I feel like it looks a lot better now. I feel like it doesn't look as cluttered or anything like that, and it looks pretty good. I do have things in categories as well. So yeah, I'm really liking the way that this looks, and I feel like this is a really good job. I do still have a little pocket here where I can put some other things, even if they're not eyeshadows. I just want to put a couple of different things in there. I can fit them in. So this was the last drawer that I needed to organise, and I feel like it looks really good. I feel like this organisation video has gone really, really well, and I feel like it looks so much better. My makeup collection looks so much better. It doesn't look as cluttered everywhere, and everything has its own place now. So I'm really happy with how it looks. And yeah, this is all of my organisation videos. If you want to see another declutter video or another organisation video, then just let me know. And make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!